Alex, Angel, quítala, quítala. Quítala, Ángel.
Give him the girl, Chris. That's okay. Hey. Hey boys, reset. Look where you're at.
Okay, forwards, we're getting offside a lot. What's the rule about offside? You guys understand that? Okay, what's the rule? Tell me.
I love that sport. I remember you have quite a few.
That's right. You can't be in front of the last defender, okay? So know where you are relative to the other team, okay? Don't get beyond this. We had 2 scoring opportunities that we lost because we got offside, okay? Midfield, okay, sticky.
Well, yeah, but so many of them were like.
You're playing too much forward and not enough defense, okay?